Welcome back to the channel. Tonight guys, come back up to some World War II bunkers in Manchester, and unfortunately they were sealed up, but we have found another tunnel. We don't know where it takes us or whatever, so it's another little explore. I'll spin you around. I'll just turn my light on. There you go. So we're going to go and have a mooch up this. Also with me today is Urban XPR. Remembered it that time. Ashley's with us, and that light in what you can see in the distance, well, you could before Fat Ass stuck his ass in way. That's Lorna. Right guys, we'll be back with you in just a little second. Right guys, let's get into this vid. Let's get going.
It is a bit cramped in here, guys.
Yeah, you have crepes, don't you?
Yeah, we was going to give up.
Wonder if this was an old like railway tunnel or...
We was going to give up, but weren't we?
Yeah, we was gonna, but... Pays off, have a little mooch, doesn't it?
Yeah. Outside as well, there was a little pathway, so I might have a little look there first before we head off.
Wow. This is crazy. And back of my legs are killing me. Look at him. That's how far we're off ceiling, look. Oh guys.
Obviously you could actually go on a piece to be short.
Somebody's left their jacket there. Another one there. Wow. What the hell's this? Wow. Whoa, look at this, guys.
Did you see anything on the other one like that?
No. What is this? Now we can stand up for a little minute.
You can actually stand up. Must be an old bunker, do you know, like a support frame?
It must be. Something like this. Bit mad like, isn't it? Yeah. Wait until you see this through here, guys.
Wow.
Wow.
It gets even better.
Wow.
My light's going to last up. That's proper.
Oh, look at that. This is mad, this. This is mad.
By the way, there's a fishing one. If anyone wants to go fishing, take it.
This is mad, this. This must be put in for support, this. Don't know.
It might be support or something.
Yeah, the support's what support this. But I wonder what it was. Found a gun. Tommy gun. That's somebody's thingy there. Finger stand. Yeah. Snap. You never know, mate. What's round that corner? This is mad, this. That's to support this bridge, all the steel in here. Wonder if this was an old railway tunnel at one time. Oh. Does it keep going? Lorna's there nearly falling over. What's it saying? You've got a couch in here. This is fucking crazy. How does? It's going on, isn't it? Well, you know what they said, there's light at the end of the tunnel. This has to lead somewhere. Oh, back to crouching. I think it was an old railway tunnel this. Yeah, that's soot. Yeah. See all that, guys? That's soot. So it was an old railway tunnel this. Definitely. This place is at a Dodge Hill in Stockport, I think it is. So if there's anybody from the area watching this video, if you know what this is, can you comment please? But to me, with all this black on the wall, see all the soot, it's definitely an old railway tunnel this. Yeah, it definitely was a railway tunnel this. Now, oh, where's it leading us to? Wow, somebody's been living under here. Definitely. Look at this. Wow. So there's Welsh living here, aren't there? Clothes. Shoes.
Oh, someone's left the one.
Crazy. This is mad how someone's been living under here. Some more and stuff there. Jeans and that. Some screwdrivers. What's that? It's not safe. PS, yo. Agbro transport everything. You don't fault me and Adele. So, him and Adele. Wow. Who'd live in a place like this? It's mad, innit? Even got a bin where they've been putting the rubbish in.
I think the girl lives with him.
Yeah, it's like
Unless it's fucking two rooms. Yeah, unless she's just trying to.
Crazy, innit? Hey guys, it's looking like come to the end of that Explore Canal. The roof since coming out of there. Only a quick one that. I'm suspecting that it was an old railway tunnel. Well, it was an old railway tunnel because of all the soot and that on the roof. Anyway guys, I'm going to love you all and leave you all, and I'll see you all on the next one. In the meantime, stay safe. Bye bye.